Okay, guys, this morning we are going to be talking about sorting by color. In this unit, we've so far talked about a lot of position words. We've talked about above and below and between and before and after. And we've also talked about right and left. Well, today we're going to sort by colors. And this is super easy, and this is something all of you should be able to do. Maybe you help with laundry at home. And when you do laundry, a lot of times you sort colors and you put the whites in one pile and the darks in another pile, and maybe things that have bright colors you would stick in a different pile. So today I need you to pull out your math workbook page 13, and 14's on the back. You're going to need a pencil, and you will also need scissors and a glue stick. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is real easy. We have some linking cubes here, and we have blue and yellow and green and red. And they want us to sort these by color. And the way that we're going to do this is we are going to just draw a circle around the ones that are all the same color. So right here, I have all the blue. I'm going to put them in one group. This next group is all my yellow. So I'm going to put my yellow in another group. I have a couple of red. I want to make sure I don't circle the green. And then the green will be its own little group as well. So now I've made 3 groups. I have a blue group, a yellow group, a green group, and a red group. And I've sorted these items by color. Okay? So, easy peasy, right? Let's flip over to the back side. This is where you're going to need your scissors and your glue stick, or Elmer's glue, or whatever you happen to have at home is fine. I cannot cut mine out on the computer, so I'm just going to kind of draw a line to show which plate. So I have a green plate, a red plate, an orange plate, and a yellow plate. And I need to sort this fruit at the bottom by color and place it on the right plate. So the first fruit I have is an orange. And an orange, well, that one's easy. The name is the color. And then I have a banana. So my banana needs to get cut out and placed on the yellow plate. The strawberries are going to go up to the red plate, and the watermelon will go to the green plate. It's a very, very simple activity today. So go ahead and sort those items. When you're all done, place your finished paper back in your black math folder. Have a great day. Talk to you later.